T20 Asia Cup 2025 Super 4 match number 14 Pakistan vs India. Match played at Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai. India won the toss, elected to field first. Pakistan 20 overs 171 runs, lost by 5 wickets. Saibzada Farhan is the highest scorer, 58 runs, 45 balls. Then India team best bowling spell, Shivam Dube, 4 overs, no maiden, 33 runs, 2 wickets taken. India 18.5 overs, 174 runs, lost by 4 wickets. Abhishek Sharma is the highest scorer, 74 runs, 39 balls. Then Pakistan team best bowling spell, Haris Rauf, 4 overs, no maiden, 26 runs, 2 wickets taken. India won by 6 wickets in this match. Player of the match, Abhishek Sharma. Congratulations, India cricket team.